Hey, hello again, YouTube. We are here with yet another vintage trash find fan. Now, this one's in not too good a shape. It's kind of beat up and scraped, but it's not really damaged in any way. This is a LeJohn Manufacturing Company Hassock fan. And the interesting thing about this is not only is it a fan, but it is also a heater. And here we see electric fan model HF12-2. It's a 15-watt heater, 1.4 amp motor, 100 watts, and the heater is 12.5 amp, 1500 watts. This has a Redmond motor in it. Now, problem with this is that the step-down transformer for the heater, well, it has a step-down transformer in it to run the fan at a lower speed when the heater is on. Problem with that is either the motor is worn out or the transformer is bad and it's stepping down the voltage too much and the fan was barely even moving. So the other problem with it is it still has its original cloth cord, and it was badly frayed right here, so that was only about 2 feet from the fan, so I didn't want to put the cord there, so I stripped the wires, soldered it, and wrapped it with friction tape, and I also put a new plug on it. But I'm going to have to try to find a new cord for it. But it's a 2-speed fan, high and sleep is the other speed, and then it has the heat setting, which it would run the motor on sleep speed with the step-down transformer, making it even slower. So let's plug it in and fire it up. I had it working before, and I actually rewired it to bypass the step-down transformer, so it does run while on the heater, but it doesn't really heat very much because it's blowing too much air over the coils. So let's plug it in, try it out. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to start it off on high. Runs nice and smooth, blows a good deal of air, and then we'll switch it to sleep. Still blows a decent amount of air. Very quiet. Now, I'm going to shut off my light because I have the light running off the same circuit that the fan is on, and I'll probably end up blowing the breaker if I turn the heater on with the light on. Okay, well, we still have a decent amount of light here. Now, we'll put it on sleep and then kick it over to heat. And we can see the coil glowing a little bit there. It's not really heat, but it does warm the air up a little bit, takes the chill off. I'm sure if it was running in a room long enough like this, it would heat the room up. So there we go. LeJohn Manufacturing Company Hassock fan.